My name is Pedro Ramos. Actually, I'm the supervisor here at this location. I heard about Chicago Locksmith through a previous employer. They have, you guys have done work in the past. I actually heard about Chicago Locksmith, and I was very impressed on the recommendations from previous employers. They actually completed a job of 292 units. They were basically repeating every single lock to a single key, and the process was pretty smooth. In regards to having, occupied units, they were able to successfully complete the work within the time frame and made the process smooth and very pleasant. So I do recommend Chicago Locksmith for any type of work, especially locks. Again, thank you, and hope you guys get in contact with Chicago Locksmith as soon as possible.